Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Steam using SteamGuard detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your Steam application on your computer or mobile device. If you don't have Steam installed, visit the official Steam website and download the application. Once installed, launch the Steam application. If this is your first time using Steam, create a new account or log into your existing account. For new users, follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. After logging in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the Account Security section in the Settings menu. Find the option for SteamGuard. Click on the option to enable SteamGuard. You may have two choices: get SteamGuard codes via email or use the Steam mobile app. If you choose the email option, check your inbox. Click the link in that email to confirm your email address. If you choose the mobile app option, download the Steam app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, log into your Steam account on the app. The app will prompt you to enable SteamGuard. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable it. After enabling SteamGuard, your account is now protected. Whenever you log in from a new device, Steam will require a code. You can receive this code via your chosen method, email, or the Steam mobile app. For mobile authentication, open the Steam app on your device. Go to the SteamGuard section within the app. You will see a unique code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code into the login prompt on your computer. If using email, check your inbox for the latest SteamGuard code. Copy that code and input it when prompted on the Steam login screen. Once you have successfully entered the code, you will be logged into your account. You can now enjoy all the features available on Steam with enhanced security. Remember to keep your account details safe and secure. Regularly check your security settings to ensure everything is up to date. Following these steps will help keep your Steam account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.